Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I'll show you how we can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application that looks like this, and click on these three bars right over here and select Manage Contacts. From here you want to select Import Contacts and Import from SIM, and this automatically displays all the contacts that are located in your SIM card. Now you can quickly select all of them by clicking right over here and then select Done. Choose where you want to import them to. You have several options. Click Import and you're good to go. And when you go back to your list, you should be able to see them right in here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.